Today we are going to take a look how to adjust the price on a Coinco vending machine coin mechanism. So first you're going to want to pull these tabs here, and the door opens up. Now we're going to take a look inside. Now your Coinco mechanism may have either 8 or 12 switches depending on the age of the machine. This is an older one. This is a 1987 Dixie-Narco machine, and also with a 1988 coin, or excuse me, it's an 88 machine with a 88 coin mechanism. And down here, we're going to zoom in as much as we can, you can see switches 1 through 8. Now on the 8 switch machines, switch 7 and 8 may not have any value and may pose other functions. I am not sure what they do exactly on this specific machine. I just got this one. But now switch 1 through 6 on this one would be, now it goes from left to right, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 80 cents. Now in the 12 switch machines, switch 7 would be $1.60, switch 8 would be $3.20, switch 9 would be $6.40, so on and so on. So right now the machine is set for 75 cents. So how do we get that? We have switch 1 would be 5 cents, switch 2 is 10, switch 3 is 20, switch 4 is 40. So you got 40 cents plus 20 cents. That's 60 cents, plus 10 is 70, plus 5 is 5. So that makes 75 cents. And we're actually going to want to turn this down to 50 cents. So we're going to pop switch 1 up, and that's not going to work. Now this one's got the switch buried a little lower. The newer machines are going to have it up a little higher, easy to access. So if I want 50 cents, we can shut off the 5. And we're going to shut off the 20. So switch 3. So now we got switch 2 and switch number 4. So remember, switch 4 is 40 cents and switch 2 is 10 cents, which makes 20 cents. So, or excuse me, which makes 50 cents, which gives us a total of 50 cents. So 2 quarters, or a combination of quarters and nickels, will allow somebody to purchase a soda. When you're done, gently close the machine up. Done. This machine will now take 50 cents. Likewise, if you wanted, say, $1.50, you could do switch 6, which is 80 cents, plus switch 3, which would be $1. You add in switch 4 would be 40 cents, so $1.40, plus switch 2 would be $1.50. If you say had bottles or energy drinks, or in the case of this machine, it was actually previously set up for beer. I am not going to touch on the legality of that, since I will be putting in soda pop.